in Saudi Arabia. We're in Jeddah at the start line of the Dakar Rally in 2022.
Yeah, this year is new. The prologue is only 20 Ks and it defines the starting position for the first stage. So it's really important to try to do good. And after, on the second and the third stage, we have the marathon. So yeah, we have to be careful and try to be safe on the bike. My goal for Dakar 2022 is go day by day, try to be consistent and smooth every day, and yeah, I know if I can do that, for sure we can fight for a good position at the end of the race. So that's my main goal: finish and try to finish as strong as possible, of course.
The main goal is to just improve my result. At the end of the day, if I try my best, I got to be happy with that.
Skyler was really consistent. He made the right strategy from the beginning, and well, he crashed at day 6. It's part of the races, no? Skyler have a huge potential, and I'm completely sure that in the future he will be in the top for sure, 100%. Luciano Benavides slowly he came back to get the good positions, and we can see that at the end of the race he was really constant, no? So happy for Luciano also.
It's been a really tough 12 days for me. This race is incredible. The first week was really tough, especially the day one, but I think I work a lot during the days to be better every day, and yeah, I think I finally did a good job, and happy to be here in the finish line with no crash, no problems, much better navigation, better feeling. So yeah, happy, and now looking forward for the next events.